Agnes.
Do you call me Oga? Is it not worthy that you call me? Eh? Listen, you know when you started coming to the city, I gave you 450,000 naira to help you settle.
Uh-huh.
And I want that money back. I want to leave your house. I don't want to work again. I have resigned as your baby nurse for your baby. I don't want any work from you again.
Meaning what? What I'm asking you, meaning what?
Listen.
Even if you want to go, is this how you're supposed to tell me?
How am I supposed to tell you? Am I supposed to stand on the ceiling to tell you? Listen, let us not have problem with this. Give me my money, let me leave.
This is 150,000 naira. I'll give you the rest when I come back from work.
Thank you.
Where is my baby?
Your baby's in her room sleeping.
Me too. At the end of this month, once this month ends, I'm going to collect my monthly salary. And I'm going to leave this house.
Honestly, you need to leave.
To work for a woman and die.
Her own is something else. Her own is something else.
Hey! And they're not even this one. Imagine, ever since she saw me feeding her baby with pounded yam, this woman hates me with a total hatred. Hatred with caution.
Come on, EJ, hold this money for me. You know, like you said about women, if I use this money and I keep this money in my room, she may decide to come back and then steal it from where I get it.
Money is Yoko. You are right.
Just hold it for. This is why you're putting it with speed inside your pocket. I'm going to bring a Bible, or you will swear for me.
Why Bible now?
No, you are going to swear that you're not going to run away with my money.
Anyway, if bringing Bible will make your heart, to cool down, no problem. I'm ready to swear.
Go and mind the baby.
But I have resigned.
As long as you stay in my house, you will work for me. Go and mind my baby.
My money is not complete yet.
I said you should go. And you, EJ, put up a notice for me at the gate. I'm looking for a maid.
Madam.
Yes?
Madam, please. Me too, I want to leave. At the end of this month, I will resign. And I'm telling you this on time so that you know how to prepare yourself to avoid the rushing. Should I include notice of a gate man too? No, let us look for Rag, whether she has Rag inside. Madam, do you love me?
What?
Telling you that that I will leave and you are here crying, meaning that you're already missing me or you're already in love with me and you are crying.
Both of you are wicked. You are very wicked. So you and Wadi planned this for me? To abandon me and make me helpless? What did I do wrong to both of you to deserve this kind of treatment? What did I do? I paid your salaries on time. I gave you shelter for many years, EJ. EJ, you're wicked. You're very wicked. I hate you.
I don't even know that you loved me before. And now you said you hate me. I'm confused. Let me continue with my...
Come back here. How much is your salary?
25,000, ma. That is what you normally pay me. 25,000. Hey, is it not when you are in love with somebody and accidentally that person tell you that he's moving or leaving that you break down and start crying? Or is she pretending? She's in love.
Take this. In there is 325,000 naira. Give that ingrate to Wade 300,000 naira and take your 25,000 naira. I want both of you to leave my house this minute.
What you mean you want us to go?
Tell Wade to come and pack his load. Tell him to come and pack his load and leave my house. I would have left him on the streets. I just regret everything now. Just get out of my sight. Go.
Madam, are you serious? Now we should go.
Just go. Get out of my sight.
Sorry.
EJ, I divided my money into two. Hold this part.
Okay.
Let me hold in case we have this pickpocket. If they pick my own, at least I will have hope in your own.
Then we can go now.
I don't run away with my money.
Are we not going to my cousin's house to stay and then plan the next move? So where will I run to now?
Who knows? Who knows? This one is very too much. Let me... No. Let me put it inside my bag. In case. You want to go? I'm going to... It's better because nobody drink a diaper. But let us do. This woman's...
No, not that one. Just get something and break the whisk cream, the front one.
Okay, break the whisk cream. I will support you. This thing is strong. No, you can. She will hear the noise. She will hear the noise. Let us deflate the tires.
Let me just...
use this. This kind of houses that they build. Look at this. They just keep all the drum on one side. This is like they give everybody's tank.
Okay.
It's for me.
Okay.
Honestly.
Hey, Jesus! Hey! Look at the way they even escorting the guy. Hey, you're back. How? My bag. Thank you. Get that guy. Run. Speed up. Thank you. Ahead. Speed up. Change your gear to the highest gear. Cross him over. Hi.
EJ. Ego, all my money. Hey, whoa!
Hey.
They haven't got him.
No.
Say Ego man now.
How?
Is Ego man now? Ego man now. Motor be a boom.
Let this motor kill me. Get this side. Thank you.
Come and kill me. I diverted here. Kevin don't do me. What am I living for? All my money. Come and kill me. Why are you diverting the motor? How?
I hope the room is good. You can make yourself very much comfortable.
It's okay. Thank you.
You are blessed.
Thank you, my brother.
You are blessed.
Thank you very much.
You're
Thank you
blessed.
very much.
You're blessed. Stay here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, he's good.
Yes, of course, he's a very nice man. Hey, very kind man. This place is good, man. It's not bad.
Hey, but I still can't believe that we lost 250,000 just like that.
You put another thing. You know, the moment you say that thing, it bothers me. Imagine, I think something is wrong with me. What now, you think I'm joking? Something mysterious is happening about me and my progress. First, I lost Agnes to another man. 2, I was walking on the street. Police saw me and say, your face looked like that of a criminal.
Imagine.
Where has it ever gone? And then arrested me. In the night, thieves invaded and caught me and dealt with me. So you see, something must be wrong.
No, with all these indications, I totally agreed that something is wrong.
Even game, what will I do?
This my cousin is a pastor. Maybe we'll meet him, talk with him to know if he can render help. But seriously, I don't believe in his ministry.
Do you need to believe? You see, what I want is somebody that will give me hope. Somebody that will at least say anything to me. Can let me cling on that.
Imagine 250,000.
Hey. If I hadn't given you that one,
imagine
what would I do?
Madam, no as often in this soup, Can you soup?
What's the matter? Are you okay?
Fish bone.
Drink water. Sorry. Drink water, please. Sorry. Drink water. Sorry. Sorry, I beg. Sorry. Drink water.
I've been drinking now.
Sorry.
I've been drinking.
Sorry. Take it easy. Sorry. Hey, thank God though. They will still put something in the food I sold to you. Hi, God, I thank you.
Madam, this bone is not ordinary. This bone is not ordinary at all.
Sorry.
I almost died.
Sorry, you won't die in my canteen. It won't happen. Sorry, yeah? Don't worry. Continue your food. Eat your food. Do you want another soup?
But I told you I almost died on this small bone. You say soup.
Ha, please, I'm sorry. It won't happen again. Sorry. Yeah? God, I thank you. Sorry, I beg. Sorry. Sorry, it's okay. Sorry.
I come in peace.
Yes.
Mazi, how is Mpuluma?
Why ask after her? After you made her, she cried day and night, every day. And now you are asking after her. Why? Who asked you to come to my house? Please leave my house and start going.
Mazi,
you have succeeded. You are happy now, aren't you?
Mazi, please, Mazi. Mazi, I came to tell you something very, very important. Very, very important. Please, you need to hear me out, Mazi. Mazi, I did not sleep with Mpuluma. I did not sleep with her. I didn't even see her pants, not to talk of sleeping with her. I didn't get her pregnant at all. Please, I need to see her, so I will beg for forgiveness, please.
Why confessing? Nobody is killing you. Nobody is even asking you for anything now for confession. Nobody. Why?
Mazi, I know nobody is asking me, or nobody is killing me, but Mazi, I'm seeing signs. I'm seeing small signs. And these small signs, they are very, very important. See, Mazi, today, I almost choked on a small piece of bone today. It almost killed me today. Last week, the generator I used in my shop caught fire. And after repairing it, 2 days later, it blew the amplifier I used in my recording studio. Mazi, not only that, even the rest of the boys, Okute told me that his keke napep, the engine, just blocked. And he hasn't worked since 2 weeks. Mazi, please, you have to help us now. This is the signs. So these are signs. You have to help us to beg Ukuluma, please.
You see, you people made my daughter look very cheap and useless. You made her look like a prostitute that goes about sleeping all over the place with men. I don't like it.
Mazi, please, I'm begging you. Mazi, the truth about the whole thing is that they bribed us. They bribed all of us.
But you showed me her pant.
Yes, I showed you her pant. The pant was formality. I sneaked into this compound and I stole it from where she hung it on the rope. Please, Mazi, I'm begging you.
You have to go to the elders of this community and tell them this. If they call me with my daughter to come and confess, we will listen. If they say, after seeing us and they ask her to forgive, if she still has the time, she can forgive you. So you go to the elders.
You mean I should go to the elders?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Mazi, thank you, but please help me and beg her, please.
Okay.
Please, sir.
Go to the elders.
Thank you, sir.
Heavenly Father, thank you, God. You are a good God. Please expose all our enemies. You are God of deaf and dumb. The God that will speak for those who do not speak, who cannot speak, who cannot hear. Oh, you are a mighty God. Thank you for exposing these boys. Thank you, Father God. Oh God, we thank you. I thank you, Lord God. I thank you. I thank you. Forever we will worship you and thank you. Ah!
The Spirit has just told me that your friend has offended somebody. You should quickly go and make amends. Otherwise, anything he lays his hand on, he shall not progress.
Who offended who?
I thought you say you never believed in his words. Just because you have said that I offended somebody, you suddenly become so interested. Allow him to finish first. Because, Pastor, please go on.
That's all. There is nothing more to say. You know whom you have offended.
You know, like I said, her name is Mboloma. So don't forget. Then the money that you're holding now, you give it to her. 100,000. Yeah? Okay. So that she will use it for her upkeep. And then, you know, just to take care of herself until she delivers that baby. Okay. As soon as you give her the money, start coming back.
How am I going to find my way to your village?
I'll give you direction. That was not a problem.
No, it's not all about direction. Because why I'm saying this is this. If I lose myself, if I lose my way, I'm going to hold you responsible. And besides, I hope they are not eating human meat in that your village to avoid using me for pepper soup.
Are you the human meat they are supposed to eat?
Come ahead now.
Anybody who chop your meat, who listen, don't be dead. The way I see you, your meat is poison. You better make the person go drink or tap you.
Okay. Just keep the change. Thank you. My, oh my, wow, what a beauty. Please, are you the beautiful deaf and dumb angel? Please come to me. Oh, I can understand. Who am I, Abi? Please come, I'll tell you who I am. Sir? 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 Easy. Cool down. Oh, thank God. Sir?
Yes, who are you?
Sir, you know, as a stranger, I'm not conversant with that knife.
What do you want?
Okay, who am I?
Yes, that's what I'm
asking.
Sir,
I'm just coming, sir.
I know.
I'm a stranger, sir.
So what do you want?
Oh, hey, this is also. Sir, I'm just, sir. Sir. Hey! Oh, come here, sister. Hey! Madonna, no.
You are welcome to my house. A certain young man was dragged to my house yesterday by Mazo Wadiegu. I queried him to know who he was and what he came for. I later found out that he was sent from the city by Owadegu. And he told me that he gave him some money to give to Mporoma. I'm sure his conscience is now beginning to worry him. Ije,
sir?
Present the money to Mporoma. Why all the elders here watch the witness. Nana, you can just look at them again.
My elders, I greet you all.
Thank you.
Please, am I permitted to say one thing?
No, say your mind. Say what you want to say.
I would love to stay in this village for a while. Please, can I have access to Mporoma? At least it will enable me to watch her closely. So that if I want to report to the one that sent me over her welfare, my report will be correct.
Never.
Sir?
Never. Gabriel, allow him. What harm can the young man do? Your daughter is pregnant already.
Obisi, you are right. I support that.
Gabe, I agree with him.
Since the elders have unanimously agreed, we'll carry on.
Thank you once again. Thank you all. I'm glad to be here. Please, just one more thing. I would like to stay in Owade's house. Yes, he gave me his keys.
Okay. Since he gave you his key, let him stay there.
Yes, thank you.
Let him stay there. You stay there, huh?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, you want me to carry you? Don't worry. Easy. Take it easy. Wait. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Yes. Wait. You are very beautiful, I'm telling you. You are very beautiful. No, not to me. It's you. You are very fine and pretty. Very beautiful. You, beautiful. You are beautiful. You, face. You are, yes, very beautiful.
Why is this stupid girl so friendly and happy with a stranger, but we never look at my face? This treatment is meant for me.
Huh? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. You want me to be fat? Fat? I get muscle. Oh, okay. You like fat?
This stranger is looking for my trouble. Yes, he's looking for my trouble in this village. Okay. If it can't go in peace, it will go in pieces. I think I know what to do.
Okay, Who? Are you calling me a dog? I'm not a dog, bro. Okay. Let me get open. Don't worry, let me get open.
EJ, what is still keeping you that in that village? Haven't you given her the money? Again, Emezi.
Owadi, cool down and listen. Cool down. This is not the kind of woman or lady you will just give money like that and disappear. Ban. I have to stay here and monitor her progress. Yes.
Monitor whose progress? And what are you the class monitor? Or are you the teacher? What kind of monitoring? Did I send you there to go and monitor her? Or to just give her money and come back?
What you are talking nonsense?
Look, don't tamper with that girl in any way. You know?
What you are just talking nonsense? Oh, no. You that tampered with her life already. Did you make her life better? Eh? So what nonsense are you talking about now? I'm just doing you a favor and you are here talking nonsense. Eh? Everything is fine. Everything is okay. Nah, at all. So how are you now? How are you? The baby.
You know, think of tomorrow. Trouble, no, this love, you know, easy, yeah. You know, easy, yeah. You know, easy, yeah. Shop waiting, you go fitty pay. Chop. You go fitty pay. You go fitty pay. This love, you know, easy, yeah. You know, easy. You know, easy, yeah. Now so we be. Shop waiting, you go fitty pay. Now so we be. You go fitty pay. Now so we be. Waiting, so we be. Come in. Yeah. Come in. Wow. Hey, for me. Hi. Thank you. Hi. Okay. Oh, that's good. Oh. Wait, you're the one, eh? You're the one that cooked it. Go and see there. Very sweet. You feel a boy. Hey, honestly, the food there, very sweet. Sweet. Thank you. Hi, let me give you fish. Hey.
Leave my house. Now! not for what people will say, I would have killed you here and now.
For what?
More for what?
Yes, do you care about her? Eh? Were you not the one who abandoned her here in the first place? If not that you started seeing signs of things going bad for you, you for send me, give her money. Eh?
EJ, she's carrying my baby.
Say you fit give woman belle, no mean say you fit be father. Look at fine woman where you abandoned here, just because say she no fit talk. Instead of you to say thank you for taking care of the woman and the baby. I'm leaving, thank you. Instead of you to say thank you to me.
Wade has no claim to my daughter.
At all.
EJ, if he pays the bride price, let him marry her.
Yes.
And the child, when he is born, it will be EJ's, according to our culture.
Exactly.
Wade saw a deaf and a dumb girl. But EJ saw in my daughter goodness and apart from her beauty.
Wade, do you have anything to tell us? Banana.
Boloma, what is this for? Please, accept this bunch of banana as a sign of continuous sweetness between the two of us. Yes, I did not regard you initially. I neglected you. I ignored your goodness. But I'm now a changed man. My head has cleared, Boloma, please. You may be deaf and dumb, but I don't even find you deaf and dumb now. Because I know we must have a way to communicate with each other. Love has a way of communicating without even saying it. Please. You will understand me, I will understand you. I am sure of it. Sir, without sin, there will be no forgiveness. Find a way, a place in your heart to forgive me. Instead of our being bitter with each other, let us learn to forgive. At least this.
Banana kwa. You would have brought 10 baskets of orange.
Medicine after death, elders. You all heard the testimonies of these 4 men. How Wade bribed them to tell lies against my daughter and make her look like a public prostitute who got pregnant for the public, or for the whole world.
Sir, without sin, there will be no forgiveness. Find a way, a place in your heart to forgive me. Instead of our being bitter with each other, let us learn to forgive. At least this.
Wade, leave that banana there. Leave it there. Go to your seat. EJ.
Sir.
Do you have anything to say?
Don't worry. Nai, buy her soup. Buy her soup. My elders, I greet you again.
Thank you.
Please, the only thing I would like to say in this case will be a kind of advice. Please, let us not force Oroma here into this marriage. Let us give her a chance, an opportunity to make her own choice. Let her choose whoever she wants to marry. I'm a stranger in this village, yes, Odoranya, but she has seen me. She has seen what I can do. If I'm a bad man, she knows. Your angel here knows. If I'm equally a good man, she equally knows. Because it's not good.
Hey! Good talk. You made a good statement. Thank you. Wonder shall never end.
Amen.
In town, you dragged over Agnes with me. My Agnes. You and I were dragging Agnes. You, my friend, now you've come to the village to drag my wife with me. What an insult. EJ, you, who is supposed to be a friend.
Who dragged who with who? No, who dragged Agnes with who?
Order.
No, let him complete it.
Order.
Okay, no
EJ.
It's okay. It's okay. Huh? It's okay. It's okay.
Fadi. EJ.
Sir.
You and Owadegu, you would go. Go for now. The girl will make her choice. This is marriage affair. Then later, the father will communicate us, and then we will know what to do next. Okay. But for now, let us all disperse.
You are dragging my wife with me. My wife. Go on, BJ.
What do you...
Who's your wife?
Where did I hear?
Who's your wife? You died before us here.
What
So
you
you call her your wife.
Let us hear. You call her your wife. When did you pay the bride price? Huh? If Agnes had not followed Solomon, you would have remained there, even hoping to marry her at now. Anampama. What that shall never be.
My wife.
Where is Mboloma? I have a lot of goodies. Let's know who is going to be a better in-law to your father. Mboloma. Mbolo. Mboloma. Mbolo. Mboloma. These are the goods I bought from. Let us know who is who. These things are gifts. Present. I went to supermarket. I went to ordinary market to buy things from Mboloma to show her who I really am.
Lies. She doesn't need your gifts. Your time has expired. EJ is my new son-in-law.
Bring Mboloma. Let Mboloma talk for herself. You too.
I won't allow her to come out or even see your face.
Why? Is she not the person I bought? Okay, fine, I'm going to back you. Call her, let her come. Let Mboloma come and see what I bought for her. Let her just come and take it. Boya, I will not see her if you don't want me to.
I got no matter next more.
You know, our own case hasn't finished here. We are still going to continue with this case. Look at the kind of betrayal. You are a fake.
Wade, you caused the whole thing. You are the cause of everything. You abandoned your property, and I came here. You should be thankful and not showing me attitude.
You're not ashamed. I abandoned. I sent you to come back with money.
What happened to your two legs? Don't you have legs again?
As a friend, I cannot do that. Have I not sent you before?
EJ,
sir?
Where is Mboloma? She's not in the house.
Sir, she's supposed to be inside.
She's not there.
Please bring Mboloma. I know you're trying to hide her.
Mboloma.
Wow, Joropo.
Mboloma.
Otto! Hey!
Also Otto. Ito vago ni nabia.
Otto, Chineke.
Abia wala na. Okay. What? She's not there.
Are you people joking?
Hey!
She must receive it whether you people like it or not. They're serious.
Now, take her home, hide her till she gives birth, take the baby and release her.
All right.
I have finished with you.
Thank you very much. Perfect job. Good job. Be gentle with her, okay?
Come, Okute. I'm happy all of you are here. Now, the Zembuluma is missing. Now, I want you to seal all the entry points to this village. From Onweke. Seal all the distance. Some of you follow me. Let us go down to this seal. Some people go to Onweke. Seal all the entry points to this village. You must find that.
Guy, go there.
What is that? You people are disturbing us.
Sir, please don't be angry, okay?
I'm going somewhere with my sister.
Sir, cool down. Just ordinary search, okay? Madam, cool down, relax, okay? Okay, yeah. Search the car. Okay, it's okay. Search very well. If possibly, open the door. She's there! Bring that one back! Yes, bring him back. Come here. Bring her out. Please, easy.
Please, I beg you. Please don't kill me. It is Mazin Nam that sent me. Please, I beg you.
Mazin Nam?
Yes, please. Oh my God.
Bring her out. Mazin Nam.
Yes.
And even you.
Okay. You are very stupid. I'm just ordinary driver. Shut up.
And look, I'll give you 200,000. How about 500?
I wouldn't even take 5 million. I wouldn't even take
1 million.
No, don't even talk again. Oh Jesus! Take care of her. Jesus. Hold this thing. Hold this.
My wrist.
Sorry, my dear. Sorry. Oh Jesus. Hey, Nam. It's okay. Come. It's okay. No. Come, bring that woman. Put her inside car. Enter. Sorry. Put that one inside boots. It's okay. Because go. I will take you. It's okay. Okay. Why?
No, the people, because you never can tell. I don't know this about the people the other way. That's how. Moloma, where did you find her?
A woman called Anna. They carry and enter town before me and my guys catch them. Then they carry them now. They go meet elders of the town. Then from there now onward to hand over to the police. They won't give them to police.
Anna? Yeah. Who is Anna?
I don't know. But the elders of this land and the policemen will investigate.
Moloma.
Owadi, I brought back your woman to you. I don't want to drag her again with you. Yeah? Now you she love. I see the way she looks at you. Even when she diverts, she still loves you. So, please just do me a favor. Take her to her father and settle with them.
Mbolo, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. It was a stupid thing to have left you with pregnancy of my own child. I'm very, very sorry. No.
No. He will not harm you again. He's back to his senses. Do it for me. Come. Come.
It's okay. It's okay. Hey, EJ, thank you very much. God will bless you. Please, God will guide you as you leave this village. No harm shall come upon you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Meanwhile, let me go back to Mazi Geb's house where I kept my things. From there, I'll be leaving to the city immediately.
Okay.
Yeah, please do me a favor. Take good care of her.
I will.
It's
okay. Yes, he has to go to the city. If I ever come to the city, I will fish you out. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I don't know what came over me. No more. I'm very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. Normal. It's all right. Sir,
Hey.
Sir, I have made peace with her and I'm appealing to you to forgive me whatever I have done wrong. It was just a stupid mistake that I made. I'm so sorry, sir. I'm sorry. Huh? I'm so sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It won't ever happen again. Remember, it won't happen. I'm sorry, sir. Thank you very much.
Now, where is EJ? I learned he was the one that led a group of boys that rescued my daughter.
Yes. You didn't meet him on the way?
No.
He just left. He was even going to your place to carry his bag.
No problem.
But he was in fact, I have thanked him on behalf of everybody. And he said I should greet everybody. He thought he was going to meet you at home.
Hey, that's a nice man.
Very nice man.
Very good man.
Well, when he wants to be. Anyway, he's my friend and I know him well.
He's a nice man.
I'm sorry. Clear your tears. Okay. No, don't worry. I want you to wear the slippers. That's my son. You know I was a boxer. So it's true. I was a boxer. This is... Your father is here. Thank you very much. Sorry, Mom. So your daughter is, I don't know what I did. Now I know the value of it.
Oh, so the Nkuloma named after her is not?
It's not, though. It's a very fine name for it.
Very good.
Move it.
Hey! Oga police! Please!
Madam, go back.
Nora, here is your daughter, Ebari. I'm sure you have heard that Mazinam is going to go to prison, where he will stay for a long time because of his baby trafficking business, which he has been doing with his gang. Take her home and look after her until she delivers. Don't worry. I say don't worry. Soon, the father of her baby must surely surface. Okay, if Wadegu could come back to claim Mporoma's baby, surely very soon Ebari's partner will come out. Huh? Oh, Tony said.
Let me warn you. When the time for her to deliver her baby is due, do not ever let her out of your sight, not even for once. I even heard she supported Mazinam to sell her baby at birth. Hi, Aro.
Oh, I have heard what you said, my elders. Well, take them back your things. Mazinam's house.
Sunayagaba, oh? I'll give a child again, ma. Aha. Go on. Should be cool.
This is too much for this man. Mazinam is fond of this.
Oh my God, I'm a gim. Oh, this community. I'm a
this life we live, now ups and downs. Waiting person cause he go carry go. Today now one thing, tomorrow will be another. The struggle continues, now one big wahala. Now so we be, now so we be, now so we be. Waiting man is so wadi. Now him he go reap. You no think of tomorrow. Trouble no they sleep. Waiting man is so wadi. Now him he go reap. You no think of tomorrow. How you make your bed, yo? That's so you go lie on top.